Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you how to delete messages on Google Chat using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your browser and search for chat.google.com. Okay. So now once you've done that, I want you to do is to open any conversation that you have. And for example, this conversation. As you can see, I sent a message. So for example, I want to delete that. Okay. So what you can do is to move your mouse at the message, and there will be this three little dots that will pop up. Okay. So just go ahead and click on that. And here you can see the delete option. So just go ahead and delete that so other people can see that a message was deleted. So if you're sure about your action, just go ahead and click on delete. So now message deleted by its author. So the next thing you can do is to click this drop down arrow at the right side of your group's name. And here, when you turn off the history, delete it deletes new messages in 24 hours. Okay, so when you click on that, so here messages sent with the history turned off are deleted after 24 hours. Okay, but when you turn that on, messages sent with the history turned on are saved. Okay, so that's it. That is how you delete a message on Google Chat. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one and have a great day.